I dropped my moon gems in the desert labyrinth. They're scary sand monsters. Can you help me?
No problem. Leave it to me.
Thank you. This outfit can protect you from sand.
The moon gems are dropped in these places. There is a sandstorm in the labyrinth. Let's go and find it. Now drag Kiki to search. Look, there is a super flame here. Use it to clear the sand. Follow the star. It will lead you to the moon gem. Oh no! Kiki stepped on a trap! Avoid the sand monsters and don't let them hit you! You found all the moon gems!
Great, Kiki, thank you! The moon gems will create beautiful decorations.
Wow! It's so beautiful! Keep going! Calm down, Miss Bear. What's the issue here?
The parking lot is so disorganized. I can't drive my car out.
Don't worry, I'll fix it. Slide the car to drive it out of the parking lot. Woohoo! All the cars were driven out! Hank, what's going on? I want to share the toys with my friends, but I can't find them. Can you help? No problem. Let's look for them together. These things are missing. Help Hank find them. Ah, here are the toys. Tap on them. Let's find the other toys. Amazing! We found all the toys! Thank you! The barrier can only be lifted after completing the puzzle. No. Bunny is entangled in the vine and can't move. Don't worry, we're going to save her now. Oh, I can't walk. Come and save me. Drag Kiki to move the box and save Bunny. Something is behind the box, and we can't push it any further. saving me. Don't mention it. You can always come to Officer Kiki if you need help. Little Panda's town is successfully protected. Awesome! It's a new gift!
Hi, good morning.
What to do today?